Hey folks, today I'm gonna present before you a simple video on unboxing and assembling of an automatic water dispenser I bought through Amazon online. I will provide you the product link in the description box below so that you may order the same. I could see a series of similar products online under different brand names and prices. Still, I think you can buy the most cost-effective one since they are all same and as you know are mass-produced and imported from China. Now let's get directly to the video by opening the carton and see what is inside. Actually, as every Chinese product, this product too comes with no warranty. But I have an experience with the same product earlier which I have been using for the last 2 years without any complaints. Now this is the cute and small product package. Now let's open it and verify the contents. As you can see, there is a silicone tube which can be used as the water inlet. Here is a USB charging cable, not C-type. Again, inside the box, there is a steel tube which will act as the water outlet. Now see the size of the outlet pipe. Now comes the main part of this package. This is the central motor unit and it is having a rechargeable battery inbuilt. Now let's open the cover and see how cute it is. I'm really happy to see its color combination in black and white, and there is a cute power button over it. Here I could find a paper inside which shows some announcements. Please do not use this product to pump alcohol and hold water over 55 degrees Celsius. Please do not full immerse the product in water for cleaning. And there is another leaflet which shows the installation method. So it is easy for us to follow these simple rules to get it installed quickly. Of which the most important one is the fifth point. Please charge the unit for 3 to 5 hours with regular mobile USB charger for the first time before using it. So let us do it after walking around the main unit a little bit. It shows for watts and DC 5 volts. And here is the outlet and the power button and the inlet. Now I'm gonna connect the main unit to the charger. For that we can use the charging cable provided with the package. Insert one end to the slot provided in the main unit and the other end to the plug. Like this. On switching it on, the main unit will display a red color on its top to show that it is being charged. Now, according to the instructions, I'm gonna sanitize the inlet tube and the outlet tube using some hot water. For that, I have to place the inlet tube, which is a silicone tube, and the outlet, which is a steel tube, into some water. Let us immerse it like this. After that, put it on the stove for a few minutes so that the water get heated and these tubes get sanitized well. Now I'm gonna mount the unit over this 20-liter water can. For that I have to make a small hole on the top of the can in order to insert the inlet silicone tube. Just like this. Now take the main unit fully charged and put the outlet pipe in the hole provided. Just insert it and push it to keep it in place like this. Now it's time to connect the inlet tube. For that, just insert the silicone tube in the inlet of the main unit like this. Now the motor unit assembling is completed. We need to mount it on the top of the can. For that, insert the silicone tube through the hole we already made on the top of the can. Now just press down and keep everything in place. Now press the power button to start pumping. It will show a blue light while in work and no lights otherwise. Thank you for watching my video.